Hi, this is Gary Lerude of Microwave Journal. I'm at the European Microwave Week conference in London. I'm here with Tim Brauner, who's the Director of Business Development at Knowles Precision Devices. Tim, it's good to see you. I think the last time we were together was like 2.5 years ago at the European Microwave Show in Paris.
Yes, Gary, it's been an awful long time, or at least it feels like it has, and it's great to be back.
So let's start off with kind of recap and refresh my memory of the portfolio of the Knowles Precision Device business.
So Gary, Knowles as a precision device business is actually quite a large business. About half of the business, maybe a little bit larger, is at our multi-layer capacitor products for industrial and other high-end applications. Electronic vehicles is a big deal. But what we're really here to showcase today is our microwave products. And that includes our single layer capacitors that go up to 50, 60, 70 gigahertz in many applications, but also our filter products. And we now can say that we offer filters from a kilohertz up to about 50 gigahertz.
That's great. And markets that you're seeing?
So aerospace and defense continues to be a strong market for us. But in a smaller portion tends to be more the telecommunications 5G millimeter wave size of the market. But we've really seen some divergence in whether it be on the space side of the business or even in test equipment's becoming a much bigger piece of business as well.
Yeah, and you've done some acquisitions, is that right?
We have, yeah. We continue to be on that acquisition train, if you will, and got lucky to pick up another key piece of the business, a company called Integrated Microwave out of San Diego.
Right.
We bought in May, and it was really driven on a couple of different perspectives, but our customers were looking for us to be able to offer what I would say is a full spectrum or a much larger spectrum of the filter capabilities. Traditionally, the Knowles DLI brand was really good at filters, microstrip filters from about 2 gigahertz up to 50 or 60 gigahertz, but the EW market continues to expand, and
right.
We have a lot of customers that are looking for us to be able to offer filters at lower frequencies, and Integrated Microwave really fit the bill. They do a great job with what you might call your traditional filter technologies, your lumped element, your ceramic resonator filters, some cavity filter technologies, and we're looking forward to maybe figuring out how to supercharge it, add a little new technology to what some people might say is a mature product.
So now you've got low frequency as well as the thrust you've been making in millimeter wave.
Absolutely, and so it really has shown well to our customer base, the ones that we've been able to see as things start to open back up. And we've gotten great feedback from our customers that they really do like working with Knowles and like the added product offering.
So as you look at your markets, what kind of trends are you seeing in those markets as we're coming out of COVID?
Well, Gary, as you know, we've really done well by making filters smaller,
right,
using our higher K materials or our dielectrics and not compromising on performance. And we're continuing to see that. I would say that our customers are continuing to push for things to be smaller. We're seeing more and more work in beamformer applications at X-band, and as you go higher in frequency, it's that half lambda over wavelength issue, right? And fitting all those passive elements into a smaller size. So whether it's filters or other products that we're offering to our customers, power dividers, it's all about shrinking the size of that so that you can still get that performance and at the end of the day, make it lower cost. Because the product offering, people aren't building 5 or 10 or 20 of anything any longer. They want to build hundreds of things, and the solder surface mount technology, as people go higher in frequency, really requires a package component or a component that acts as a package.
So a lot of work there. Any other market activity that you're seeing?
So space is big, right? Whether it's the LEO work that you see coming out of the commercial satellites or CubeSats that are out there, or it's the geo applications. Knowles, that was another great part of the IMC acquisition, is they were heavily focused in the space market in the United States. And with that comes a lot of experience on the quality side of upscreening the product, et cetera. But complementary to that is the Knowles DLI microstrip filters having such a great fit from a reliability and repeatability standpoint. You don't have any discrete components of capacitors, inductors to solder on, and it puts our customers in a position where they can continue to make products smaller. You're not buying 10 or 20 filters for the lifetime of a program anymore.
Right.
You need 5,000 filters in some cases for some of these phased arrays that we're seeing going up into orbit, into geo orbit, if you will.
Right. So that's an exciting market.
Oh yeah, it is, and you know, everybody says that they want a COTS solution, but and we continue to increase the breadth of our catalog offering, but filters tend to be custom in nature, and that's a big piece of our business.
So we're here at European Microwave. What kinds of things are you showing and promoting at the show?
Well, we've got 2 brand new catalogs with all of our new offerings. So the last 2 years, spent a lot of time adding new catalog products, whether they're filters, etc. We've got a couple new products that we're not ready to release at this show, but coming up in a couple of months. And we're really talking about the new product offerings at the lower frequencies that we can supply to our customers as well today.
Well, that's great. It looks like the turnout is pretty good here. I think better than a lot of people may have expected. And so hopefully this momentum will continue and we'll see you in Denver.
Yes, absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Well, thanks for spending some time and good luck with the rest of the show.
Great, thank you. Thanks, Gary.
Gary Lerude from the European Microwave Show in London.